Hello, I am Emma, and today I will help you talk about yourself in English. In this lesson, you will learn very simple English. You will learn what to say about yourself. Slow English, easy English, clear English. Welcome to Easy English Zone. This channel is for beginners. If English feels hard, do not worry. You are in the right place. Today's lesson is how to talk about yourself in English. This lesson is very important. We use it every day, at work, at school, with new people. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident. You will speak about yourself clearly. Let's begin. Talking about yourself means saying simple things about you. You do not need long sentences. You do not need difficult words. Simple English is enough. We will learn step by step, and we will practice together. First, let's talk about your name. Your name is the first thing people want to know. To say your name, use this sentence. My name is blank. Listen carefully. My name is Emma. Now pause and repeat. My name is blank. Good. You can also say, I am blank. For example, I am Emma. I am is very common in spoken English. Pause and repeat. I am blank. Great. You can use my name is or I am. Both are correct. Now say it again. My name is blank. I am blank. Very good. Now let's talk about where you are from. This means your country or your city. Use this sentence. I am from blank. For example, I am from Pakistan. I am from Egypt. I am from Brazil. Pause and repeat. I am from blank. Good. You can also say, I live in blank. I am from is about your country or origin. I live in is about where you live now. Both are useful. Pause and repeat. I live in blank. Great. Now combine name and country. My name is blank. I am from blank. Pause and repeat. My name is blank. I am from blank. Excellent. Now let's talk about work or study. This means what you do every day. If you study, say, I am a student. Pause and repeat. I am a student. Good. If you work, say your job. For example, I am a teacher. I am a driver. I am a shopkeeper. I am a nurse. Pause and repeat. I am a blank. Very good. You can also say, I work as a blank. For example, I work as a teacher. Pause and repeat. I work as a blank. Good. Now say it again. I am a blank. I work as a blank. Excellent. Now let's learn something new. Let's talk about what you like. To talk about likes, use this word, like. Like means you enjoy something. Use this sentence. I like blank. For example, I like English. I like music. I like tea. Pause and repeat. I like blank. Good. You can talk about food. I like pizza. I like rice. Pause and repeat. I like blank. Very good. You can also talk about activities. I like reading. I like watching TV. I like learning English. Pause and repeat. I like blank. Great. Now let's put everything together. This is how you talk about yourself in simple English. USA. I am a teacher. I like English. Now pause and repeat sentence by sentence. My name is blank. I am from blank. I am a blank. I like blank. Excellent. Now listen again slowly. My name is blank. I am from blank. I am a blank. I like blank. Very good. This is a simple self-introduction. You can use it anywhere. Now let's practice again. Practice is very important. Pause and repeat after me. My name is blank. I am from blank. I am a blank. I like blank. Great. Now try to say it alone. Say it out loud if you can. You are doing very well. Now let me give you a confidence tip. Speak slowly. Do not rush. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn. Do not be afraid. Your English is improving. Now let's do guided practice. I will guide you. You speak after me. My name is blank. I am from blank. I am a blank. I like blank. Good. Let's do it one more time. My name is blank. I am from blank. I am a blank. I like blank. Excellent. Now let's review the key sentences. Listen. My name is blank. I am blank. I am from blank. I live in blank. I am a blank. I work as a blank. I like blank. These sentences are very important. Use them every day. Now let's do the final practice. Pause and repeat slowly. My name is blank. I am from blank. I am a blank. I like blank. Perfect. You did an amazing job today. You learned how to talk about yourself in English. This is a big step for beginners. Practice every day. Practice in front of a mirror. Practice with friends. Practice with yourself. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Thank you for learning with me, Emma, on Easy English Zone. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Easy English Zone for more simple English lessons, and write a comment about yourself in English. I'm excited to read your comment. Keep learning, keep practicing. You can do it. See you in the next lesson. Bye!